1, 2, 3.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when you made this video. We are going to prepare Nigerian Zobo. Hibiscus flower is popularly called Zobo in Nigeria. So this pineapple is from Costa Rica. Because I'm going to use the bag, I will wash it very well with vinegar. I'll go ahead now to add a little quantity of vinegar in the water I used to wash the bag. I am done washing it, so I'll go ahead now to cut the bag, cut the pineapple. I'm using 1 cup of Zobo, so add it to the bowl and then wash it, after which I'll add it to the pot. So I added water, almost half of this can. A little quantity of clove is okay, just very little. So I can have to add the clove. Then I will now allow it to boil for 15 to 20 minutes. After that, here it is. After sieving this one, I'll add a little water again and boil it so that I will get the whole stuff. Boiling the stock is optional, you can choose not to. So if you don't want to boil it the second time, after cooking it the first one, you allow it with the water for 2 hours so that it will absorb very well into the water. So here it is, Zobo drink. Zobo drink is very healthy. It can give you strength, it can help you reduce stress, and many more. Thanks for watching. Bye.